Hi guys, here we have a nice radical problem. Square root of 9 minus square root of 8 is equal to what? This implies that square root of what is square root of 9? That is simply 3 minus square root of 8 could be written as 4 times 2. This implies that square root of 3 minus square root of 4 times 2 also could be written as square root of 4 times square root of 2. This implies that square root of 3 minus what is square root of 4? That is 2 times square root of 2. Recall that a minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the identity that we are going to use. Take note of it. This implies that. Now, let us find a way to write 3 minus 2 root 2 in form of this identity. So we have square root of. First, let's rewrite 3. 3 could be written as 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 also could be written as 2 root 2 times square root of 1. Let's continue. This implies that square root of 2 minus 2 root 2 times square root of 1 plus 1. This implies that square root of, you will see that by comparing this identity now with this guy, you will notice that our a is root 2 and b is what? Square root of 1. So that is a is equal to square root of 2, b is equal to square root of 1. So we have open brackets. In place of a now, we write square root of 2, and in place of b, we write square root of 1. So that will be square root of 2 minus square root of 1 all squared. This implies that clearly this bigger square root cancel out this power. We are left with square root of 2 minus square root of 1. This implies that square root of 2 minus what is square root of 1? That is simply 1. This is the required solution.